how to pay with Visa gift card on Panda Buy. Now if you have a Visa gift card that you want to use on the Pandabuy website, now to do this, all you have to do is log into pandabuy.com and add the products that you want to buy to your cart, right? So let's say once you've added some of the products that you want to buy to your cart, and then you basically go to the cart option from the top right hand side of the screen. What happens over here is that during the payment method, you simply have to select the option credit or debit card. So you'll not find the option called add a gift card, but to redeem a Visa gift card whenever you're paying, just choose it as a normal credit or debit card and fill in the option accordingly. So there's not another way to redeem it, because a Visa gift card can be applied as a normal payment method like a credit debit card. Once you've selected that, you will then be able to pay with Visa gift card on Pandabuy. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.